I'm currently on my way sa airport today. 5 a.m. ako nagising and 7 a.m. ang call out ko. So, I will see you sa airport. Good morning. It is currently 11:09. Hindi ako nakatulog last night masyado. Medyo puyat-puyat ako kaya nag-sleep-in ako today. Maganda yung itsura ng labas ngayon. It's really windy. I'll show you guys. Party na sila this morning. Oh my gosh. Dali lang. Wow, look at that view. So there's gonna be a change of plans. I'm actually gonna go head out to the pool now. I've switched into my swimsuit, just topped it off with a towel, and then I'm gonna go meet the rest of my crew. Haven't had any food yet, so I'm hoping that I can convince them to go grab some food with me. They've been awake since early in the morning, and I just woke up. I chugged my little coffee, and then I'm off to the beach, or I guess they're at the pool. We'll see. So yeah. So, iniwanan ko muna yung crew ko kasi nagugutom ako kaya pupunta muna ako sa isa sa mga restaurants nila dito sa hotel. Pupunta muna ako sa room wallet kasi init na init ako. I'm actually gonna sit down now. Yung gusto ko na puntahan, ka-open lang niya ngayon. It is 12:30 na. So, I'm hoping na by the time I go in there, okay na sila. Sige.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Yeah?
Gracias.
It is currently 5:20. I have 40 minutes to get ready before I have to check out sa hotel na to. I think mga 6:10 yung check out time namin. But it does take a bit of time to get out of this resort. Or I guess, yeah, kasi yung building, yung tower, kung saan tong room ko, it is newer. So from here to the entrance, to the actual lobby, I have to kind of find my way, and I know it took a bit of time. So I am gonna leave earlier just to make sure na I get on time. I am currently in Cancun, and this is gonna be my very first vlog. So I hope that you guys stick around for more vlogs that I will be doing in the future. My name is Tracy. I am a Filipina cabin crew member that is based in Calgary, Alberta. I work for a major Canadian airline. And I have been working in flight for almost 6 years, being the next year. I started regional and then went to mainline just last year. So bago pa ako in terms of going to international destinations. Kaya lang, I'm really happy to enjoy layovers like this because I get to see different places. I really had fun yesterday. We arrived in Cancun from Calgary yesterday afternoon and I had a 29-hour layover. It was really fun. It is an all-inclusive hotel, which means na hindi ko na kailangan bumili ng mga pagkain ko. I had fun going to the beach, to the pool, and now I have to go back to the plane, and this time we're heading to Saskatoon. Yung bangs ko ang pinakamadali na gawin. And it's always the final touch with the look that I'm making. Lagi akong nag-change ng hairstyle. Just a couple months ago, medyo mahaba yung buhok ko at wala akong bangs. And then obviously ngayon, medyo magdodora look ako. But it's not too bad as soon as gawa siya, I hope. Nandito yung mirror, so this is kind of where I make sure naman na okay yung ginagawa ko dito. Today is December 2nd. Ilang days na lang, papasko na. And masaya talaga ang Pasko, pero mas masaya kung andun kami sa Pasko. Dahil sa trabahong to, hindi lagi kami nakakauwi pag mga holidays, birthdays, weddings, anniversaries. Sadly, ang dami kong mga na-miss na birthdays throughout me flying. But I think it comes with the job as well. Hindi lahat layovers na masaya, hindi lahat days off na makuha mo. Especially yung seniority bidding, yung company nyo. But like I said, it's pros and cons in the job. And you have to be there for it. You have to be ready for it. And then, just have to do it day by day, diba? Alright, I got my dress up and I'm ready to go. So let's get out of here. This was such a nice hotel. Nakakamiss siya. Ang ganda, no?